All right, here we go. I just lost. Look at this guy. This guy right here couldn't even stop. Oh, better back up. Better back up. This guy. I lost my damn screw to my clutch. And if you've seen the video, if I put one, I can't remember. I broke my clutch. Here comes the train. Loud this freaking train. So as you see, I did lose the screw. See if I can locate it. I can't driving around here. I gotta find it. Right now there's one of these yellow containers that had a door open. It looked like I got ramsacked. See, that one's open. Look at that one's open. The other one had one. It had a bunch of cardboard and a bunch of trash in it. It probably had people in it that hopped out or got stolen. Everyone stole the things off. Look at that graffiti right there. Triggs. So we're gonna see what happens here. Imagine if some people started hopping out of the train right here. That would be crazy. Look, there's another one right there. The train door shouldn't be open. And there's cardboard. There was cardboard between the door. Looks like it was holding it propped open. That's crazy. Some nice graffiti. Colt 45. Oh shit. Airplanes. Beer. Randall. Turks. Stars. Zero. That's dope. Syra. Duke. GNZ. Gans. This train is long. That one's dope actually. Kings. That's some old graffiti. Old graffiti. Yeah, we gotta wait for this train to derail or stop. See, it's way down there. It's about a mile, 2 miles long. There's the end of it right there. Look at all the cars, damn it. So, you can hear the train tracks a little. Like I said, I found a railroad spike right here. Check this out. That's an old railroad spike. Wonder how long this been sitting here. I want to make this into a knife. You know, there's some mountain men forge guys that do forge and fire, forge knives, and you can make this out of a knife. This has high carbon steel in it. They look for, I believe, carbon, a certain spark, to know that they can make a knife out of it. So well, look at, if I could make a knife out of this and put a handle on it, I could sell it for $300. Well, I don't know how to, but if a real knife forger, what is it? Dang, I just lost the word. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Make a good knife out of that right there. Wow, you hear that? Look at, it's a clear skies. There's a lightning that hit really close right now. It was loud. Then it just started raining. Now it's starting to sprinkle. Look, sun's out. Clear skies. There's some clouds behind us right here. And that's what's raining right here. This cloud. It's crazy.
Aquí estoy
So check this out.
esperando.
I got my dude came through with this Huggle mounts.
What?
Wherever this is from.
Bergamot. Oh, that's
American
Bergamot? Yeah, that's good
have a
shit, boy.
hoagie.
Huh? That's good shit, Bergamot. That's what
Kings
it
and
is?
Convicts Brewing Company. What the?
Huh?
It says Kings and Convicts Brewing Company.
That's right, baby.
Damn, that's crazy. It's 12 fluid ounce, 4.8 alcohol. It's pretty good. It's like an ale. Walking through the river. They taking off or what? Okay, let's see here. We got another crazy brew I never tried before. New Belgium Summer Bliss Tropical Wheat. That's crazy. That sounds wheat. Wheat beer with mango, spice, and natural flavors.
I just had the cocksuckers.
No, they're not right here.
That's right.
You see that? Wheat beer with mango, spice, and natural flavors. New Belgium Brewing Company, Fort Collins, Colorado, Asheville, North Carolina. Huh. 5.5% alcohol there, I see it now. 12 low ounce. Look them up at New Belgium. We're gonna try this right now. Let's see what happens. Let's pop it open. Oh. Like that popping sound.
You taste it?
It's pretty good.
Yeah, right?
Damn, that's pretty good.
I know. I started thinking earlier.
That is pretty good. That's like the best IPA or ale I ever tasted.
It's good, huh? Oh, she got me bored, bro.
It has a mango. It says it has a mango and a spice some to it.
He's looking for his buddies.
And wolves are vultures. Damn, that coyote is loud. That's crazy. He's close right
Yeah,
there.
it sounds like he's right here in that lady's yard.
He's not far at all.
Right, just right there. In the
Yeah, right in that open area.
No, he's right here across back of his house. I think he's in that girl's land. They have water and stuff right there. You got all kinds of animals go over there.
Damn, he's screaming.